Today, I'm going to talk about 5 things that I am begging you to stop doing if you are over 65, especially if you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, maybe a smoker, or maybe had a heart attack or a stroke. I'm begging you, please stop doing these 5 things. Number 1. High-intensity interval training, also known as HIIT workouts. These are so popular right now. People think that this is the best way to get in shape. No doubt about it, high-intensity interval training can be very effective for people that are in their 20s and 30s. But for those of us that are getting older, especially over 60, the high-intensity interval training can be very harmful, because what it does is it puts tremendous amount of stress on your heart. Instead of doing high-intensity interval training, I recommend doing some sort of low-intensity steady-state cardio, like walking, like biking, like swimming. Even gardening can count as a low-intensity steady-state cardio. The key here is to do some sort of movement that is low intensity and that you can sustain for a long period of time. Number 2. Heavy weightlifting. Now again, for those of us that are in our 20s and 30s, lifting heavy weights can be very beneficial. It helps build muscle, it helps build bone density. But as we age, especially over 60, and if you have any sort of cardiovascular disease, or you are at risk for cardiovascular disease, you need to be very careful with heavy weightlifting, because guess what? It puts a tremendous amount of stress on your heart. Instead, I recommend doing some sort of lightweight resistance training where you use very light weights, but you do a lot of repetitions, like 20 to 30 repetitions with very light weights. Number 3. Exercising too late in the day. Exercising too late in the day can be very hard on your heart. Let me explain why. When you exercise, you want to make sure that you do it earlier in the day, because what happens when you exercise later in the day is that you get this huge surge of adrenaline and other hormones that are great for performance. They're great for helping you build muscle and burn fat, but they're not so great for your sleep. And if you can't sleep, guess what? Your heart suffers. So try to do most of your exercise earlier in the day and leave the evening for some sort of gentle yoga or some sort of stretching or just relaxing activity. Number 4. Doing too much too soon. This is very common. People either go to the gym and they see all these young people working out and they feel like they need to keep up with them, or they just want to get in shape so bad that they do too much too soon. Either way, you need to listen to your body. Just because your body is over 60 doesn't mean that it can't work out hard, and it doesn't mean that you shouldn't push yourself. But you definitely need to listen to your body. Make sure you don't do too much too soon. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. And number 5, not getting any medical clearance. If you are over 65, and especially if you have risk factors for cardiovascular disease, please get checked out by your doctor before starting any new workout routine. You would be surprised how many people end up having a heart attack or stroke because they didn't get medical clearance, or they didn't listen to their body, or they didn't listen to these 5 things that I begged them not to do. Please take care of yourself because you are worth it. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.